Take a moment and ask yourself, how much is your passion really worth? You've spent years mastering the art of yoga, refining your technique, and deepening your practice. But when it comes to making money as a yoga teacher, things suddenly feel unbalanced. What if I told you that your passion for yoga could not only bring inner peace but also financial freedom? What if you could wake up every day, do what you love, and earn a substantial income while helping others transform their lives? In this video, I'm going to reveal powerful and practical ways you can make real money as a yoga teacher. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your income, stay with me, because what you're about to learn might just change the way you see your career forever. And by the end of this video, you'll walk away with a clear roadmap to turn your passion into a thriving, profitable business. Let's be honest, many yoga teachers struggle financially. You put in the hours, teach multiple classes a week, and yet, you barely make enough to cover rent. Traditional studio jobs pay little, and with so much competition, it feels impossible to stand out. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Many talented yoga instructors find themselves undervalued, overworked, and unsure of how to turn their skills into a profitable career. But here's the good news: the yoga industry is booming, and opportunities to earn are limitless if you know where to look. The world has changed, and the way people consume yoga has evolved. Online platforms, specialized programs, and high-ticket offerings have made it possible to turn yoga into a highly lucrative career. Let's break down exactly how you can start making serious money as a yoga teacher and finally step into financial abundance. 1. Leveraging online platforms to expand your reach. Gone are the days when yoga teaching was confined to local studios. The internet has opened up a global marketplace, and if you're not online, you're leaving money on the table. Social media, YouTube, and personal websites allow you to reach thousands if not millions of potential students worldwide. Create free content on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube to attract an audience, then offer premium classes, workshops, or memberships for those who want to go deeper. Look at yoga influencers like Adrienne Mishler. Her YouTube channel generates millions of views and earns revenue through ads, sponsorships, and exclusive content. You don't need millions of followers to start, just a strategy. Imagine creating a 30-day yoga challenge and charging just $50 per person. With only 100 students, that's $5,000 from a single online offering. The opportunities are endless, and they only require you to take the first step. 2. Developing specialized yoga programs. General yoga classes are great, but specialization is where the real money is. Think about it: would you rather be another generic instructor, or the go-to expert for a specific niche? Consider focusing on prenatal yoga, yoga for athletes, corporate yoga, or even yoga therapy. These specialized programs attract a dedicated audience willing to pay more for personalized solutions. For example, companies now invest heavily in employee wellness. Why not offer corporate yoga sessions at premium rates? Imagine charging $200 per session for corporate clients and booking 5 sessions a week. That's an extra $4,000 per month just from corporate yoga. Whether it's one-on-one coaching, injury rehabilitation, or stress relief yoga for executives, specialization makes you stand out and allows you to command higher fees. 3. Hosting workshops and retreats. People are willing to pay top dollar for unique experiences. Hosting a yoga retreat, whether locally or internationally, can generate thousands in revenue per event. Partner with resorts, offer holistic experiences, and market the retreat as a transformational journey. If retreats seem overwhelming, start small with local weekend workshops. Charge $100 plus per attendee and multiply that by 20, 30, or even 50 students. That's real income from a single event. Picture a 3-day retreat where you charge $1,500 per person. With just 10 attendees, that's $15,000 in revenue from one retreat. And the best part? You can repeat this multiple times a year, scaling your income while providing unforgettable experiences for your students. 4. Writing and publishing yoga content. If you love writing, turn your knowledge into passive income. Yoga books, e-books, and paid newsletters can generate revenue while establishing your authority in the industry. Sell a beginner's guide to yoga, write about the philosophy of yoga, or even create a yoga journal. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing allow you to self-publish and earn royalties. You write once, but the income keeps coming. Imagine selling a $20 yoga book and getting just 500 sales per month. That's $10,000 in revenue from a single product. Blogging about yoga and monetizing with ads or paid memberships is another way to generate ongoing income. 5. Creating a yoga merchandise line. Your students trust your recommendations. Why not sell them products that align with their practice? Launch a line of yoga mats, apparel, or accessories. Start small by designing your own branded merchandise through print-on-demand services like Teespring or Printify. If you build a strong brand, this alone can become a major revenue stream. Consider this: selling 1,000 yoga mats per year at a $30 profit per mat brings in $30,000 in passive income. Whether it's sustainable clothing, meditation accessories, or even custom-designed journals, this is a scalable way to add extra income. 6. Offering teacher training programs. If you have experience, why not teach others to become instructors? Yoga teacher training programs can be a goldmine, with students paying anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000 per certification. Whether in person or online, if you establish credibility, this can be one of the most profitable paths as a yoga teacher. Teaching others to teach not only positions you as an expert but also allows you to earn while helping the next generation of yoga instructors thrive. Let's get real. Making money as a yoga teacher isn't about luck. It's about strategy, consistency, and taking action. If you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. You have the skills, the passion, and now, the knowledge. What you do next is up to you. Will you keep playing small, or will you take the first step toward building a thriving, profitable yoga career? The moment you decide to take action is the moment everything changes. If this video gave you new ideas, do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe for more. And let me know in the comments, which strategy are you most excited to try? Also, check the description for exclusive resources I've put together just for you. And since you made it this far, YouTube thinks you'll love the next video. It's on the screen now. Click it, and I'll see you there.